There are various factors that contribute to the success of any business. An efficient website is one of the factors. In the digitized world today, it is inevitable to have an online business presence. But mere online presence is not sufficient. You need to make sure that your online presence is effortless and easy for visitors. Thereby, you can make it successful and profitable. But why do you need to invest in good web hosting platforms? Following are 6 reasons that will shed light on the importance of having a good web hosting platform for your businesses. 1. Faster website load time. Imagine a user surfing on your website, which happens to be slow and amateur. A user will show patience for some time, but what if it takes pretty long to load the web page? It's most likely that a user would lose interest and leave the page. No one likes to wait. Thus, your business website must offer a faster website load time. With a faster website, you can reduce your website's bounce rates. Also, you can make it more responsive. In turn, your website visitors can stay longer on your site and may convert into a potential customer. 2. Lesser website downtime. An unavailable or disrupted website gives a bad impression of your business. Poor web hosting often encounters frequent downtimes. It is not a healthy sign, as you may lose your consumers and thereby lose revenue. 3. Improved security. Good web hosting offers security with information access. It protects sensitive information with secure socket layers, SSL. Enabling SSL means you can hide your web content from the broader web, as any kind of information that passes through your website is subject to automatic encryption. Thus, such information is not accessible to hackers. In turn, you can protect your sensitive and private information. 4. Protection with regular website backup. Good web hosting is secure and responsible enough to protect your website by regularly backing up your data. Thus, you can get back your information even after it faced an external attack with the help of these restored files from your web host. 5. Better support. Investing in good web hosting helps you garner solid support concerning any issue encountered on your site. It provides technical assistance, restores your data, and offers tools and guidelines to deal with website disruptions. 6. Search engine rankings. A professional website hosting platforms offer the best user interface with your website. Such an interface is crucial to acquire the best search engine rankings. You can reasonably improve your rank on search engines with efficient web hosting in place. Conclusion. A successful enterprise ensures that it provides quality services to its consumers. By investing in a good web hosting platform, you deliver an easy and effortless browsing experience to your users. If users stay longer on your website and acquire desired protection with information access, then it's most likely that you are turning mere visitors into potential customers for your business. However, how much you should invest in a web hosting platform? It depends upon the size of your website database and the amount of traffic your website receives daily. If you invest smartly in the right web hosting platform, you can enhance your online presence, attract significant traffic to your website, and grow as a business. A Bill Must production.